fingers out of the picture.
Most people think of Savannah as quiet, historic, but if you show up at the right moment, you find something very different. It starts subtly, a few more people than usual, a little more movement through the trees.
Never tried.
And then you hear it. Just beyond the shade, the park opens up, and suddenly it's alive. This is the Forsyth Farmers Market, a weekly gathering that feels a lot bigger than it sounds. There's no ticket, no gate. You just walk in and become part of it.
Yeah, that Abercorn Gothic Cathedral. That's on Abercorn.
Oh, that's the John the Baptist?
Yes, it's very much a classic Gothic cathedral.
I love that church, honestly. I was so impressed. I felt like I was in Europe.
Rows of tables and tents stretch across the grass, each one offering something different, something local, something real. You don't need a plan here. In fact, it's better if you don't have one. You just follow whatever catches your attention. The smell of fresh food, the sound of a conversation, or just curiosity. I didn't expect it to feel like this. Not just a market, more like a snapshot of the city itself. Some people are here every week. They know exactly where they're going, what they're getting.
We would be good.
Yeah.
And then there are people just passing through, seeing it for the first time, trying to take it all in at once.
Good check. Yeah. Good seeing you. Yeah. Take care.
Oh, they make it kind of...
There's something about places like this. They don't try too hard, they just exist. And that's what makes them interesting.
Ungovernable.
Step a little further out, and the energy fades just as quickly as it appeared.
Well, I'm looking for a pattern. It's called First Love.
Someone else is looking for it.
Oh, that's funny.
We have some at home.
Oh, okay. That's my pattern.
Are you local?
Well, my daughter is. I live in Florida, but we come all the time. It's our latest, so you know.
Yeah.
How are we going to stay away from that?
Right. Right. Not sure if you brought any.
That's funny. Somebody else. It's kind of deco-y.
Back to quiet paths, towering trees, and the slower pace Savannah is known for.
They know your pattern.
Good, how are you?
You better believe it. We couldn't wait to get that.
Yeah.
You could walk through here twice and have a completely different experience each time. Different people, different sounds, different moments. And maybe that's the point. It's not something you plan out perfectly.
Nice for salt, huh, John?
Yeah. Yeah. Little pincher.
See? Yeah. He was like, please leave.
It's something you just walk into. No big headline, no major event, just something that happens every week.
That's very creative.
It still feels like you discovered it.
Notebooks out of. Would you like a wrist? Took old cassettes apart.
No notebooks.
Same right
Yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I'm an acting major.
Oh, really? Very cool.
Thank you. They're an upcycling project right now.
Well, let me tell you.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Same thing with like the last like different like gold versus silver, like the last.
A lot of people make it a point to travel across the country and maybe even the world
Everybody's in the
to visit Savannah and her soothing charm. And as they tour the tantalizing town and interest-capturing history, they almost always certainly make their way to this market. Perhaps the most diverse of a population of anywhere in the country. Many live here. Also, many of them are SCAD students. They showcase their work here. The SCAD stands for Savannah College of Art and Design. Yet people of all walks of life present their awesome on display in this park.
Good for you. You bet a lot of bread out. out here?
We have, yeah. It's almost all gone. Even though it looks like a lot.
Good for you.
Thank you.
People are getting
She
into
makes the sourdough one.
it. Like we never eat it. I don't know. It tastes like poison.
You cannot get bored in Savannah, especially on a Saturday. Start your day at the Bean, a great spot to grab fresh coffee and morning eats, right there off of Bull Street, where your journey through the historic park begins. People here at this gathering are always quite friendly, smiling. Glad to see you. Glad to be here. A very unique experience. Unique items on display in which you may have never thought you would see. To think you're shopping in a park. Refreshing, festive, not like being in some mall for sure.
Sure, if you want to. Like here, come on, Dad.
Go for a sip, huh?
Sure.
Here, a local lemon farmer offers a delightful cup of ice cold. Let's not forget, fresh cup of lemonade.
Does it for me?
That's quenching your thirst.
It does. We've got a huge mango tree ready to go this spring. This
Oh, you got a mango tree, bro? Wow. Here in Savannah?
This park, this market, is just thriving with livelihood.
Yeah, but let me tell you, my son lives in Palm Bay. All the mango tree, which is near Melbourne, all the mango trees. Mississippi. Good? Oh, she wants another drink, John.
A grandma, a grandbaby, enjoy the tangy tart of the fresh lemonade as we celebrate just life itself. You might venture onward through the long trek of the park on one side, all the way to the world-famous Forsyth Park fountain, then browsing the other side on the way back. The amount of people present is just testimony to what looks like a comforting Saturday morning endeavor this is.
Oh, got eggs over there and tomato.
If you are looking to find a place where you can leave the nuances of life behind and just visit a calming and soothing place with plenty to enlighten your senses, well, maybe put Savannah on your list to visit. Then join the refreshing fun and feel of the weekly farmers market right there in Forsyth Park.